Hey everybody, this is Steve with TentandTable.com. Today I'm here to talk to you about our Tarp Repair Tape. This is a new product from Tent and Table. It is brought to you by Moose Supply and Moose Tarps. So, tarps, they're not meant to last forever, but occasionally you need one to last a little bit longer than you thought. So, like for example here, we have our tarp here and we have a little tear in it. Okay. Typically, you would worry about this just spreading, getting more and more and bigger and bigger. So we come out with this nice handy repair tape. And we'll take this out of the package, show you here. And it's just basically a Band-Aid, and this measures 40 inches long. So it's a 6-inch wide by 40-inch long strip. And you'll basically just cut it to size and apply. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set down here, and I don't know, Matt, can you see that?
Yep.
So I'm just going to measure out, and I'm basically going to try and go probably maybe about an inch to an inch and a half longer, or you can go maybe 2 inches than the actual rip, just to give yourself a little extra area. So I'm going to measure out here, maybe that'll give me about an inch and a half there, and then the tear goes all the way down to here, give you about an inch and a half here. So I'm going to cut pretty much right down this line. Okay, so now we have our patch. It's plenty big enough to go over. I did take the liberty of wiping this down with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's any grease or grime or dirt on there beforehand. So you want to try and get it as flat as you can, and you're going to peel off the backing. Same way you would with a sticker or a Band-Aid. Get that there. And you will start to apply from one end, giving yourself just a little bit of room. And as you go, try to make sure you're smoothing out as much as possible. And that is pretty much it. It is ready to go. As you can see, the color matches up pretty close. You can see the square patch here. But that is pretty much ready to go. I'll show you the other side here. You can still see our slit. If you were so inclined, I guess you could probably cut another patch and put it on the other side here to give you a little bit extra protection. But that is the Tarp Repair Tape from TentandTable.com.